Hi, I'm Xinyan. Today I'm going to talk about our final project, the movie recommendation system. In this project, I worked with Fangjun. First, I'm going to talk about how we build our recommendation system. First, we need to prepare our data. Our data is a small data set from MovieLens website. This data set shows a 5-star rating and tagging activity of a group of users. First, we need to download the data from MovieLens website and create data frames for movies and ratings. Then we need to process the data. We need to transform the movie and rating data frames into 2D arrays. That's the X rating matrix we will use. And then we need to split the dataset into two sets. One is for training and the other one is for testing. So let's get the matrix and split the data. The next step is to complete the rating matrix. We need to find the optimal C and W matrix to approximate the X rating matrix we got from the MovieLens dataset. This is the square cost function we construct. First, I defined an error calculation function. Then it's a matrix completion function. I used the alternatively optimization method. So let's train the model. Here, lambda is set to 10 and the maximum number of iterations is 50. The number of assumed fundamental factors is 5. It takes a little while. Next, we need to make recommendations. Here, movie recommendations are made to each user based on the highest value of the user's estimated rating activity, which is constructed by the C times W matrix. And we will recommend the users with movies she or he has not watched. These are the movies recommended for the first 10 users. As we can see, the movies are all very famous ones, so I think we have already built a reasonable movie recommendation system to some extent. The next part is the application build up, and my partner Fangjun will introduce a little bit about it and give us a short demo.
Hi, my name is Fang Jun. I work on the GUI part. From the previous programming, we could need to input our user ratings into X matrix in MovieLens dataset, and I'm going to run from my part is in appendix. I'm going to run from appendix till the final effect. These are classes which I defined for my user interface. And we need to rerun this part. Because the 8 movies are each time are randomly generated. Yeah. And since the movie you haven't seen, you could only rate 0. So my deadly friend, I haven't seen it. I have seen this, I think. And Gypsy, no, Into the Blue. And what should I watch? And the user face, you just need to click the button and we will calculate through the program we developed previously. And we can watch the Christmas video while waiting for the final result. Oh, ta-da! So we recommended 3 billboards as outside Ebbing, Missouri, 2017 as our final recommendation result. Yeah, it's cool to try out this new app.